Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 2.5D 4D engine, specifically the 2KD FDV, is a well-known and widely used common rail direct injection turbodiesel engine that powered numerous Toyota vehicles from the early 2000s until it was largely replaced by the more modern GD series, 2GD FDV, around 2015. It was a workhorse engine, primarily found in popular models like the Toyota Hilux, Toyota Fortuner, Toyota Innova, and Toyota Hiace. History and versions. Introduction. The 2KD FDV was introduced as the second generation of Toyota's KD engine family, following the 1KD FDV 3.0L. It aimed to provide a balance of power and efficiency for lighter-duty applications or markets with different tax structures. It was part of Toyota's D-4D, direct injection four-stroke common rail diesel lineup, signifying its advanced fuel injection technology for the time. Configuration. It's an inline four-cylinder, 16-valve DOHC, double overhead camshaft engine. Displacement. 2.5 liters, 2,494 cubic centimeters. Turbocharger. Early versions might have used a fixed geometry turbocharger, but later and more common versions featured a variable nozzle turbocharger, VNT or VGT, with an intercooler for improved power delivery and efficiency. Fuel system. Common rail direct injection, which was a significant advancement over older mechanical diesel injection systems, allowing for higher injection pressures and more precise fuel delivery. Power and torque variations. The 2KD FDV came in several power outputs, depending on a market, specific vehicle model, and whether it was intercooled or not. Early versions, non-intercooled around 75 kilowatts, 101 horsepower, 102 PS, and 260 Nm, 192 lb-ft of torque. Intercooled versions, increased power to around 88 kilowatts, 118 horsepower, 120 PS, and 325 Nm, 239 lb-ft of torque. Later/updated versions with VNT and intercooler, some models saw outputs as high as 106 kilowatts, 142 horsepower, 144 PS, and 343 Nm, 253 lb-ft of torque. This was a significant boost for the 2.5L. Review and opinions. The 2KD FDV generally earns a reputation as a reliable and robust workhorse, but opinions often highlight its characteristics relative to newer engines. Durability. It's known for its strong build and longevity, upholding Toyota's reputation for diesel engine reliability. Many examples have covered hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Torque. Provides decent low-end torque, adequate for most of its intended applications, like commercial use, everyday driving. Simplicity relative to GD while common rail. It's less complex than the later GD engines with their more advanced and sensitive emission systems, like DPFs being more prominent. Refinement. Compared to modern diesels, it could be perceived as louder and less refined, with more typical diesel engine noise and vibration. Performance. While reliable, some users found it sluggish or lacking power, especially the lower output versions, particularly when pulling away or fully loaded. Chipping/tuning was a popular modification to address this. Advantages. High reliability and longevity, built to withstand demanding use. Simpler emissions system compared to GD series. Many versions predate the widespread adoption of diesel particulate filters, DPF, or SCR, AdBlue, in all markets, potentially meaning fewer complex, expensive components to fail for some owners. Good torque, sufficient for most utility vehicle tasks. Parts availability. Being widely used for many years, spare parts are generally readily available and often more affordable. Timing belt. While requiring replacement, it's a known, scheduled maintenance item, making timing system maintenance predictable. Disadvantages. Fuel injector problems. This is arguably the most common and significant issue associated with the 2KD FDV and 1KD FDV. Poor fuel quality, where over time, or faulty seals could lead to injectors sticking open or overfueling, causing rough running, excessive smoke, diluted engine oil, and in severe, unaddressed cases could lead to piston damage or even engine failure due to carbon buildup or high cylinder temperatures. Regular injector checks and maintenance are crucial. Oil pickup sump blockage, a serious potential issue, particularly if injector seals leak or oil changes are neglected. Carbon and unburnt fuel can sludge the engine oil, leading to the blockage of the oil pickup strainer in the sump. This starves the engine of oil, leading to catastrophic failure. Regular, quality oil changes are vital to prevent this. Suction control valve, SCV, issues, common on many common rail diesels. The SCV regulates fuel pressure. Failure or clogging can lead to power loss, rough idling, and hesitation. Turbo lag, especially in earlier or lower power versions. Some turbo lag could be noticeable at lower RPMs. Noise and vibration, not as refined or quiet as newer diesel engines. Emissions, while meeting standards for its era, it is generally less clean than the later GD engines and may struggle to meet very strict modern emission regulations without additional systems. Faults and breakdowns, key issues. Injector failure/issues. As highlighted, this is the most notorious problem. Symptoms include white or black smoke, rough idle, poor fuel economy, increased engine noise, and dilution of engine oil with diesel. Crucial advice: use high-quality diesel, change fuel filters regularly, and consider checking injector values, feedback, periodically. Early detection can save the engine. Oil sump pickup blockage/sludging, directly related to injector issues or neglected oil changes. If the oil pickup screen gets blocked by sludge, the engine starves of oil. This is a very serious problem that can lead to rapid engine destruction. Preventative measures: strict adherence to oil change intervals with correct oil type, and prompt attention to any injector symptoms. Suction control valve SCV failure/clogging leads to inconsistent fuel pressure, resulting in power loss, surging, or a kangarooing effect. Replacement is usually the fix. EGR valve carbon buildup. Common in many diesels, carbon deposits can build up in the EGR valve, affecting its operation and potentially leading to performance issues or warning lights. Regular cleaning is often necessary. Turbocharger issues. While generally robust, turbocharger wear or failure can occur, often signaled by excessive smoke, oil consumption, or a whining noise. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the 2KD FDEV is generally considered good for a vehicle of its size and the technology of its era. Official combined cycle, e.g., Hilux, often around 7.0 to 9.0 L/100 km. Real-world driving varies based on load, driving style, and terrain. Owners typically report figures in the range of August 5th, 11 L/100 km, approximately 21 to 27 mpg US or 25 to 33 mpg imperial. Vehicles with higher power outputs or automatic transmissions might be slightly thirstier. Timing. The Toyota 2.5D 4D2KD FDV engine uses a timing belt to synchronize the camshafts and crankshaft. Replacement interval. The timing belt typically requires replacement every 100,000 kilometers, or approximately 60,000 miles. It is a critical maintenance item. Neglecting timing belt replacement can lead to catastrophic engine damage, bent valves, piston damage, if the belt breaks. Associated components. It's highly recommended to replace the tensioner and idler pulleys, and often the water pump, at the same time as the timing belt, as these components have a similar lifespan and failing ancillary parts can compromise a new belt. Oil type. For the 2KD FDV, especially given its common rail nature, quality engine oil is crucial. While it predates the strict DPF requirements of newer engines for all markets, using high-quality, full synthetic or semi-synthetic diesel engine oil is recommended. Look for API ratings like API CH4, CI4, or CJ4, and ACA ratings like ACA B3/B4 or E7. Viscosity. Common recommended viscosities include SAE 5W, 30, 10W, 30, 5W, 40, or 10W, 40, depending on climate and specific model year/region. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise recommended specifications. Oil capacity. The engine oil capacity is typically around 6.5 to 7.3 liters, including the filter. Verify with your owner's manual. Change interval. Toyota's recommended interval is usually 10,000 kilometers or 6,000 miles, or 6 to 12 months. Given the sensitivity of common rail injectors and the risk of oil sludging, many experienced mechanics and owners recommend shorter intervals, such as every 5,000 kilometers or 6 months, particularly for vehicles used in demanding conditions, heavy loads, dusty environments, frequent short trips, or with any signs of injector issues. Versions. As detailed in the history, the 2KD FDV itself had several power output versions throughout its production run, achieved through different turbocharger setups, fixed versus VNT, and ECU tuning, and whether an intercooler was fitted. These weren't distinct generations, but rather variations of the same core engine designed for different applications and markets. In summary, the Toyota 2.5D 4D 2KD FDEV is a rugged and generally reliable diesel engine that has served millions of vehicles worldwide. Its common rail system brought improved performance and efficiency over older diesels, but also introduced new vulnerabilities, particularly related to fuel injectors and oil sludging. Diligent maintenance, especially concerning fuel quality and oil changes, is paramount to mitigating its known weaknesses and ensuring a long and trouble-free life. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.